Alright guys, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia Cards. Box 3 gold label for Ost. John, you still here? What up, Kyle? Alright, we got Roger Clemens, Javi Baez, DeGrom, Baez, and Aaron. What's up, Luigi? Reggie, McCutcheon, Felix Hernandez, black border. Aledmez Diaz, black border. And McCutcheon. It's the same birthday as me, too. Reyes, Chris Bryant, Ryan Braun, Chris Bryant. Schwarber, Tanaka, Skizzers, Glasnow, black border, and Max Scherzer again. Trouty, Freeman, Pujols, Goldie out of 75, and Freeman. Altuve, Kemp, Longoria, Swanson, and Matt Kemp. And gold border. It is not George Brett. It is not Julio Urias. It is rookie Carson Fulmer. Not numbered. Carson Fulmer on card. Alright. Yeah, Carson's points were better, yeah. He still won though. Alright, Ost, let me know. I don't know if you want to do any more, man. Get all those out to you.